Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing a best out of waste home decor idea. I hope you'll enjoy it, so let's get started. First of all, take a cardboard piece and then in a bowl pour some glue and water and mix it really well. Now take some newspaper pieces and paste them on the edges of the cardboard. Once all the edges are covered with newspaper pieces, I'll apply texture paste all over the cardboard. Now draw any pattern of your choice and then let the cardboard dry. Next, I have taken a cardboard roll and I'll cut a 4 cm piece out of it. And be very careful while using any sharp object like cutter or scissor. Then I'll cut a small part of the cardboard roll. Now I'll apply the same texture paste over the cardboard roll as well. Once both the pieces are dried, now we will start painting them. I am using mustard acrylic color to paint the cardboard piece. After painting the entire cardboard piece using mustard acrylic color, I'll paint its edges using black acrylic color. I am painting the cardboard roll using brown acrylic color. Next, I have taken a cardboard piece for the base of the cardboard roll and I'll paint it using brown acrylic color as well. Once the paint is dried, I'll paste the base over the cardboard roll and then paste it over the cardboard piece. Now using black acrylic color, write anything according to your choice. You can write any quote or whatever you like. Next, I'll attach a piece of black wool behind the cardboard piece for hanging. Now I'll add a flower to the basket, and with this our beautiful best out of waste DIY for home decor is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do so then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.